In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get basketball team on Instagram conversation. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your DMs, and then you can set custom chat theme for each particular conversation. So just open up some conversation, then tap at the very top at the conversation name, and that's where you can easily find the theme. You can tap on it and then select any theme from that list. There are two different themes types. The first one names themes, and the second one names colors and gradients. So by default it is set to default theme, and you can switch it to any from that list, including basketball. So I'm just gonna hit at this radio button next to basketball, and the theme will be changed to basketball, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.